Plants were here first, and they had it really good before animals arrived. Nobody wanted to eat them. Now the problem is, plants can't run, they can't hide, and they can't fight. But they're chemists of incredible ability. So what they do to protect themselves and their babies from insects and other animals is to use proteins that are called lectins, and they actually target joints. Think about it. If it hurts to move, you're a really lousy predator. Make an animal ill, and a smart animal will say, you know, every time I eat this plant or these plant babies, I'm not doing particularly well, and I think I'll go eat something else. The plant wins, the animal wins, everybody's happy. When we eat something that makes us feel lousy or it makes us hurt, we take pills to keep eating these things. Just imagine eating those plants over and over every day, but on a much larger scale like a human. We just failed about 10,000 years ago when agriculture started. We began eating plants that we had never been exposed to, with totally new compounds that we're ill-equipped to eat. And we're paying the price for it. The reality of what I'm trying to do is make you rethink almost everything you thought you knew about a healthy diet. The exciting thing for anyone embarking on trying to improve their health is that every 90 days, you change 90% of every cell in your body. So within 3 months, if you embark on a program, and I hope you'll embark on my program, you will change 90% of you. You will be a brand new you. A you that you will see in the mirror, a you that you will feel in every cell in your body, you will feel it in your joints, and most importantly, you will feel it in your brain. That brain fog that I don't want to get up in the morning, I forgot what I was doing, will go away because you will actually build new brain cells, new heart cells, new muscle cells, new joint cells. You can do this. You have the ability to heal yourself if you give yourself the right ingredients to do it with.